Hello everyone, so my name is Ray Grillo and I'm going to take you through the process for getting the book and also using Cami to fill out your workbook. The Goddess Glow workbook is to help you along your self-development journey and your healing journey, your spiritual awakening, whatever you want to call it, so that you can sort of have a guideline and a guide to take you through this process because it's extremely confusing and it takes some time. It takes some time to go over it. And so that's why I created this. And especially after last year, I have seen the energy shifting and a lot of people are awakening. And so this book is to help take you from where you are now to where you want to be. And I'm just really excited for you. And on this journey, you can work through this book all by yourself, or you can schedule some coaching sessions with me. We can work on it together. And that is why I decided to upload my items onto Google Drive so that when we are working together, we can do this online virtually through Cami. And Cami is a digital classroom. Like usually teachers use this app, but it's really cool and it's free and it's pretty easy. It's really easy to use. And everything's on Google Drive. And I feel like everyone has like a Gmail now or they're using Google in some sort of way. And I just wanted to make it accessible and easy for you. So this is the page right here. And this is where you're going to get the Goddess Glow 2021 ebook workbook. The process that I take you through is like the where are you, figuring out where you are now, because you need to know where you're at in order to get to where you want to go. What are your values? What belief systems are holding you back? And then implementing the small habits into your life. So, this is sort of the journey that I took on my awakening and just my self development in general. And this process has helped me tremendously. And this isn't just my process. This is the process that I learned from seminars that I went to, from books that I went to, and from coaches that I have had myself. So you go down here, you're going to press buy now. It's going to take you to this page. And then you're going to put in your information. I can't put in my information because it's not in sandbox mode. And also, I don't want to buy my own thing. I can't buy my own thing. So it's going to take you, you're going to put in all of your stuff. And then it comes out to $13.51. And then when after you put all your stuff in, it's going to take you to a page where the receipt is. And it's going to say return to merchant. You're going to click on return to merchant. And it's going to take you to this page right here. And so when it takes you to this page right here, you're going to want to save it. So download it right here. I already downloaded it while I'm scanning for viruses. And then it's downloaded. You can download it, you can print it. You can, I don't think I can save it right now, but you should be able to save it. There's going to be an option for you to save it, but since it's under my name and it's under my stuff, I already have it saved. And so you're going to go to Cami here. You can go into like the G Suite. You can find it in there, or you can go to their website and download it, sign in for free, sign up for free. And again, it's free. So when you go to Cami, it's a digital classroom essentially. And so when you download it, it's going to be on your Chrome browser, your Chrome app. Once it's downloaded, you could go into annotate with Cami. So annotate. Okay, it's going to load. And you're going to have to save this on your drive when you go into annotate with Cami, because you can't write on the one that you have to save your own copy. And so I rewrote in here. But we can do this. Exit. Okay, so you're going to go to your text box over here, and then you can start typing your name. Grillo, and you can sign it there. When you go down to the where are you area, you can go here, you can draw. Let's do blue. And so I'm going to fill in here, fill in there. If you don't like that, erase them. Use shapes. to figure out where you are in each one so that you can, you know, keep a guide to where you are, and then also tell me. And then when we do have certain things, I'm gonna go to here. So it's really important to see where you are, where you want to go. And when you are able to get this and then type in there, you share it with me, and I'm able to go in and see where you're at, see your progress, and keep you accountable for your work and your inner work, and making sure that you're staying on top of it, that you are setting goals, that you are making an effort for your healing journey so that the book is not just wasted. And then we have the coaching sessions because it's important. You have to actually do the work. That's why it's a workbook. And I'm going to stop the share. Okay. So I really hope that this tutorial helped you understand what's happening and how to make it all work. And it's super easy. If you are going to be using Cami on an iPad or on your phone, you do have to download the Google Chrome browser and use it within the browser. Download it, upload it into the browser from there. But it's super easy. And yeah, so go ahead and grab your book. See you guys on the other side.